Hello friends, it's Mirlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are here looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for yourself and your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on when we post new videos. Now, in this video, we will be making these delicious air fryer smashed potatoes. Now, these potatoes are especially good for those who are on a budget and are both gluten and dairy free. So let's get started. First, you want to wash your potatoes and transfer your potatoes to the Instant Pot basket. Next, add in the water. Cover with the lid and cook for 6 minutes. Once you are done cooking, remove your potatoes. Be careful because they are hot. And now we are going to get our herbs together. In this case, we are chopping our fresh rosemary. Place the chopped rosemary in a bowl. Add your garlic and olive oil, salt to taste, as well as your black pepper. Add in parsley flakes. Stir. Continue mixing until well combined. Now take your potatoes and use a flat surface to smash your potatoes. At this point, your potatoes should be cool enough to touch, not too cold so that they do not crack. Place your potatoes in the air fryer basket and use the olive oil mixture to season your potatoes. Repeat the process until you are done with all of the potatoes that are in the basket. Air fry for 12 minutes and flip in midway. This will allow for both sides to cook evenly. And that's it. Once you are done, serve as a side and enjoy. The full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers!